Welcome to our global polyamide market. The polyamide market is experiencing robust growth. In 2024, its global value stands at over $35 billion. Forecasts predict strong expansion, with the market expected to reach as high as $69 billion by 2033, growing at an annual rate of around 6%. What's fueling this growth? The automotive industry is shifting from metal to polyamides for lightweight components like intake manifolds and battery housings. Sustainability trends are spurring investments in bio-based and specialty polyamides. Let's break it down by region. North America's market is valued at over $5 billion, with automotive and electric vehicles leading demand. Bio-based polyamides are seeing significant growth, and additive manufacturing is on the rise. In Europe, emerging leadership is driven by automotive lightweighting and e-mobility policies, with steady growth expected. Asia-Pacific dominates, accounting for more than half of global consumption, fueled by rapid automotive and electronics growth in China and expanding infrastructure. Latin America and the Middle East and Africa make up smaller shares, but are growing thanks to automotive, infrastructure, and petrochemical investments. In terms of product types, aliphatic polyamides account for about 83% of the market. The polyamide market is set for significant expansion, powered by innovation, sustainability, and global industry trends. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.